It's a good morning to you. Welcome to Asake Online. My name is Zenzele Ndebele, and this is the Breakfast Club with a special breakfast. And today in our program, we'll be looking at the history of the liberation struggle, focusing on the ZPRA veterans. I know we always talk about many things and what they did, what they didn't do, and most of the times, WhatsApp group where the history of the liberation struggle is talked about. There are always animated debates on who did what and who did not do this. So today in our program, we'll be talking to Ubaba Vivian Siziba. Ibizo lakhe lempini Mangezi Siziba. We want to document the history. Sizwe ukuthi bona empini kwakuhamba njani, kuyini abakwenzayo, what made him go to the liberation struggle and what did he learn, any regrets, ngoba phela 40 years or so after independence they can look, reflect and say, but lapana would have done this, lapana we could have done this. But for now, kithi sekuyimbali, we want to know what happened and what are their experiences and probably what are the lessons for the younger generation.
So labana ma-recruits kwakugcwele igroup eningi eMashonaland West, yayiningi igenge eMashonaland West, yabuya yatrainwa la movie eningi yankona. So laphana sithe sesiphenduka sabuyela ngeBhoma sayangaphi ku-New Camp eMalanje, saya ku-New Camp eMalanje, saya-establish i-camp eNkambenende. Laphana nathi uqala eBhoma sasikwakulama-Russians, ama-Soviets, sasithi ngama-Soviets, lama-Cubans. Anti igroup yakuqala I think yatrainwa kungama-Soviets lama-Cubans only, but then they to select ama-instructors abanye babenze kahle, benze kuhle isifundo kwenzela ukuthi bona interpretation. Later on they had to take charge of the training, everything. Bona besebebuya nje onene advisory capacity. So eMalanje umuntu owayesengucommander kwakuthiwa sasithi Ronald Choko elempini, but na sasithi nguMbotsheni, yayivela somewhere eMidlands, ngathi isiNdebele sayasigayisa. So very good soldier, haya indoda yakhe. Nxa ukhuluma ngesoldier, indoda yayistill discipline. Unfortunately he passed on of accident, I think at 2002, but kuma 2000 khonapho.
So then libuya njani eZimbabwe, libuya nini?
Right, sesi-administer training liyana, sesi-part of the team eziqondana le-training liyaba ama-recruits amatsha. Anti bavela bafika lapha vele sokusiya ku-ceasefire training 1980, baqeda bahlala khona ngale the whole of 1980. Sayabuya nini ngoMarch, aqasha ukuya March 1981. March 1981 sifika laphana sayehlela International Airport, sayabuya salaliswa eBrett. Brett laphana sesekuseni bayivuka besinika $100 sengishayela. Wathi sibuye ngoMay, end of April, sasahamba siya emakhaya. Umama wakhala embona. They didn't believe because ahlala isikhathi eside sewuthethe ilizwe singazwanga. But mina what I did, sabhala incwadi lana, nathi nasa singathi siku-administration la. Umuntu esiyelwanda sabhala samnika yena. Ngabhala that through uMabuza. I was not sure of other relatives. Ngabhalela endlini yakhe. Incwadi yafika. Ngiwanika abantu ihope ukuthi nasi incwadi kaVivian ngitholile. Uyaphila. Ngiyangola.
So uyabuyela yini ebarracks lapha ngoMay?
Right, ngoMay siphelile iholiday sihambe siyelweni. Sifike siselectwe ngale. Sifike sikhishwa ama-groups. Mina i-selection yakho sasingale. Mina because already ngasengile O level, ngasengifundile. Mina ngathi wona so ungana sengilabana. But ngagcina sengingenile kwenye group le engasiyo ama-officers. Ngasuka sathwala sayeswa ngapha eNkomo, sa-integrate eNkomo co-training depot. It was just a matter of a month or less.
So no integrate ngubani?
Lapha nga-integrate private. private soldier, no rank. So ngivela ngale mina I was not happy. So I wanted ukuthi umama vele because she was not interested ukuthi I should join the army. I want come to into lezi soldier lezi engakufuni. So mina ngivela ngale ngileave yana siyiphiwe senzama ukuthi kahle umuntu akaye find out ku Ministry of Education ukuthi kunjani. Ngase ngisiya ku ama recruiting offices akhona ayiseselapha Africa House. Ngifuza compound. Mina right ngile ole lapha nxa li recruit abantu lifuna abantu abanjani. Bathi nxa ule form 2 siyaholisa was it 93 yes. Nxa ule form 4 siyaholisa uyaholiswa 90 I think it was somewhere like 97 or so.
$97.
$97. Then ngale ku manje sasanda ukuthatha from Rhodesia andoda kwakuhanjwa ngale ku army. Then athi nje umama was single man. So ngilaba nawo mina babe 5. Then I looked ngithe ngifika lapha bathi ngakhangela imali le ngakhumbula ukuthi ngale I'm not buying soap, I'm not buying food. After I'm giving good food, mine kuhamba nje ukuthi nxa uvuma uhamba unqono ungasihambela nje inkambe ngifike ugqokisho. Mina kade la kunjani akwenzi lapha because babephuza uholisa ngale ku teaching. Umzamo wayefundisa bamholisa after 6 months. So I looked at ukuthi umama ngakwanisa yini ukuthi khona nganelisa yini ukuthi asupport abana wami ngapha kona uvele kushoda aphinda support mina isegangeni. Isigqoko sami engangilazo umnamo ngufana wayengilandela okwesithathu. Landela usisondandelayo. Wayezigqokile zonke. So I had to start from scratch ezigqokweni. So ngathi
wawugcele nama-combat rice.
Vele asasiphe kuphiwe ukuzigqoko so. Athi vele kanti akho kwezigqoko. So 100 lana it helped me to buy a few things. So this ngale inkomo saholisa ama 98 ngale ku army 98. Can you imagine you are earning 98 and then you are provided with everything ingubo yonke into ukudla everything.
Kuhlala rent free.
Vele kakhululwa lokho. So mina sembuyela. Kodwa I was not happy because ngathi integrate wanse 37 le enyazura. Kwakuthiwa use-Romsley emaplazini bafika bayakha khonapha 2 battalion 36 37 now 37 ucommando lakhe nafu usasilo Matuwasa uBen Matuwasa retired brigadier general mesasi commander wethu. So mina asembhalisa idini because I didn't want to stay ngapha ema reserve. Idimo lena uthezu i-pay system lena anti saba banengi kakhulu. So i-army ayiholisa ku-SSB, Air Force ku-SSB. So thina sithe lapha ama-guerrillas laba sebebuya create i-national army babanengi kakhulu baletha i-army data processing unit ayizange manage kuhle into leya. Yikho usizwa kule language kuthiwa khona udliwe i-computer uphiwe i-computer ngoba isikhathi ayingathi khona bona ungu-private ubona ikunike 5,000. Nxa kunike 5,000 imali liyana kumele uyisayinele ayibiselo ayi-olto. But ngathi ngixoxela ngomunye sithi mina ngathi babesenza into engayisiyo ukuthi ba-olta ama-figures lana ngoba still bazakwenze njani iyabe simele ukuthi wena uyi-recover. Yaba ngezinye imali zona ezazingaqondakali ukuthi ezakuthiwa khona kwakule mali ezazingabonakali ukuthi zihambe njani. Yayingasebenzi kahle ama-data processing unit basebe yasi-offloadwa sesibhadala manual. So I became a pay wathi ngile sa-recruiter befuna ama-pay clicks abazazanjani abaza-process ama-salaries ama-servicemen wonke ama-battalion ababengekho ku-SSB. And then later on i-SSB la was offloaded. So it was about sikhangela konke ama-codes lana into lana ase ngiclick hayi lapha was happy so in town even though no private ama hazards lana ngihlalele kakhulu egangeni esihlahleni futhi ngiyehlala le futhi izaphethe ngigakile ngasoka ngakuthathi khona. So hayi lapha nza yabuya idimoba ngabona lahlela la channel yayiphubile idimoba yami. But ukudimobhalaza kwami, I wanted to be a policeman. Ukuthi ngijoyina until lapha kwakusesile nasayena yama-patrol officers. Excitement. Zazizirenki zamakhiwo phela, section officer, patrol officer. So
wakuchaza futhi wawushotini.
Ayivele mina yabona ukuthi mina ngikhula. One of those things engangivele ngizithanda. Ngangithanda ukulimisa. Ngithanda isotsha, ngithanda isipholisa. Those are the areas engangile interest lazo kakhulu. Yabona. But ngathi khona right, isisotsha lesenza isisotsha bani, hayi isamakhiwa lesi esingalambuso umuntu omnyama sithande. That was my. So la nxa sengivelane ayisuthi ami ngangifuna but nase ngihlale kakhulu egangeni, so I wanted some sort of a change. So hayi sasenza laphana, hayi and then sasengiqalisa ama promotions lapha. Umuntu owevele engangaphansi kwakhe sibili wachama recommendation umfazi ka SK Mo retired lieutenant Colonel Sihle uTonke Truth Sihle Ngwenya Mrs Mo ngarayiza khona. Then kuthe ngabona ukuthi no i-category enguye ama-other ranks, athi kulama-other ranks and then commissioned officers. Kulama-nani commissioned officers. Ama-other rank ngama-nani commissioned officers and below. So 19 wathi angathi ngibona zithi now I'm approaching 38. The career prospects of advancing are very limited in the category in which I am at that in which I was at that time. So I opted for retirement until kwaba le benefit liyana ukuthi there were certain ama years which we were given nxa ukuthi kusiya ngokuthi wena ujoin istruggle uleminyaka emingaki. So ngase ngihlanganisa amanasingana ngase ngi-opta for i-package ngo-1994 ngaphuma 31 October 1994. Then from there ngajoin insurance. Saved insurance, Southampton Assurance for over 10 years. From there, kwasofika nali indaba le 2000 le sokuchaya ijambanja hayi nathi okwejambanja lukangusebenzi nabanye kwazosiba namadoda eHarare lana uDzinashe Matsinchinkura labo Webster kwawe bafuma babuya ngapha bathi sokufonwa iZLP ukuthi this is not what we fought for, ukuthi abantu bachawe ngobenze ni violence le. It doesn't conform with the values of the liberation struggle. I became very unpopular. Abathengisi ukuthi siyathengisa, abanye bethreatened ukuthi plus siyakuvalisa imali zakhe. Manje I was not scared about that because I acknowledge ukuthi these things is my right. Angivalela ukuthi awungayenzi. So abanye bona baba lama problems umuntu bangakuzonda bahambe babathi khona umuntu lo kasilogerilla bamvalisa umuntu asoko lo nomasa. You can see how evil other people are. Abaya uzwisa umuntu wakho ubuhlungu uma tension oyisafe lonke indawo ukuthi kathandanga ukuthi khona abe kuzana support izana.
So you've all these years the experience MP and after war. So what would you say is your do you have any regrets?
Not at all. Why should I regret? Why we achieved what we're supposed to have, independence. It's unfortunately that it is now independence without freedom. That is the problem. If you look at that violence which obtained in 1982-83, even now, though it is not at that scale, and during that period, the painful aspect of it is that people were being killed, and the entire West was just mum. That is very painful. Yes, usozomvusi. But what you are saying, we should attend to this so that no future government should ibuye lokuyana leyana into naleyana embi.
Babu Siziba siyabonga. This was Babu Vivian Siziba, also known as Mangezi Siziba, during the liberation struggle, telling us his history, the determination to fight for this country. You know, a number of times he got arrested. Wayezahambe ekhaya ezilimela kumbe go to school since he was gifted, and because there were many opportunities, but he, despite the fact that he still had the opportunity to work for the colonial government, he was determined to go to war, and he did that, and until after the liberation struggle, and joined the army and served well. So those are the stories that we hear, and most of the times we always think that probably there are a few people who fought for this country. A lot of people sacrificed, a lot of people have not probably gotten what they deserved, but history is trying to stop and we are going to hear more of those stories from the people that we'll be talking to. My name is Zenzele Ndebele. Till we meet again in other programs, have a good day.